Hello and welcome, dedicated learners and seekers of wisdom. Have you ever felt like you're working hard, pouring your energy into something, but seeing no progress? You look around and see others succeeding quickly, leaving you feeling frustrated. We all face these moments when our efforts seem hidden and unrewarded. Today, we are sharing a powerful story. The tale of the oak and the bamboo too remind us that the greatest strength is often built in silence, underground, where no one can see it. This story will not only inspire you to keep going, but also help you master easy English phrases right here. Let's dive into the journey of unseen growth. In a peaceful valley lived a wise old gardener named Elias. Elias was known not just for his beautiful gardens, but for his deep understanding of nature's secrets. One spring morning, he planted two seeds side by side in a fertile patch of earth. The first seed was an acorn destined to become a mighty oak tree, known for its slow, steady growth and immense strength. The second was a tiny, unassuming bamboo seed, famous for its incredible height and flexibility. Elias watered both seeds equally and waited. Soon, the acorn sprouted. In just a few weeks, a small, proud oak sapling stood tall. It stretched its little leaves towards the sun, eager to show the world its existence. But next to it, nothing happened. Day after day, the bamboo patch remained empty. The little oak sapling often looked down at the bare soil and whispered, "Look at me, I am growing. Why are you so slow? Are you even there?" Elias simply smiled and continued to water both spots every day with unfailing patience. The first year passed. The oak grew taller and wider, proud of its immediate success. Still, the bamboo patch was silent. 2 years went by. The oak was now a small, robust tree. It was convinced that the bamboo seed must have failed, or perhaps simply given up. 3 years, the oak muttered to the wind. 3 years of watering that barren ground. What a waste of effort. What the proud oak could not see was the incredible secret work happening beneath the soil. For 3 long years, the bamboo seed was not idle. It was tirelessly building a massive, intricate network of roots, a strong, invisible foundation that went deep into the earth. This underground work was critical, preparing it for the growth it would eventually unleash. 4 years passed. A terrible storm hit the valley. The wind howled like a beast, testing every tree. The young oak bent and swayed, its branches creaking under the strain. It survived, but it knew the power of the storm. Yet, the gardener, Elias, was not worried. He kept watering the soil, even the empty bamboo patch. Then, the 5th year arrived. On a warm spring morning, something changed. Elias was watering the bamboo patch as usual when he noticed a tiny green shoot poking through the soil. The next day, there were 2. After, 4. The growth was explosive, almost miraculous. In just 6 weeks, the bamboo shot up, reaching an astonishing height of over 90 feet. It soared past the 4-year-old oak tree, towering over the entire garden. The oak looked up, stunned into silence. Elias, the wise gardener, stood by and smiled. The oak asked, "How?" "I spent 5 years just getting this tall, but it took the bamboo only 6 weeks to reach the sky. Where was its strength hidden?" Elias gently stroked the oak's bark and replied, "My friend, the strength of the bamboo was not in the sky, it was in the ground. For 5 years, the bamboo built a foundation so strong that it could support its rapid, immense rise. If it had rushed its upward growth like you, the first big storm would have uprooted it forever. The bamboo's quiet years of unseen effort were not a failure. They were its necessary preparation for greatness. Its patience ensured its survival and its success. My friends, remember the bamboo. When you feel like you're putting in the work and no one sees your progress, you are not failing. You are simply building your roots. Every mistake, every lesson, every quiet hour of practice is a root of strength. 3-2. Upper Faudus is a root of strength. Trust the process. Be patient. Build your foundation deep. Your success is inevitable when your roots are strong. Keep learning, keep practicing your English, and keep building your inner strength. You will soar. Until the next story of wisdom, take care and keep growing.